Hey friends, welcome again in Techno Waves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. If you are new here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated. Today we are looking at a business laptop that's several years old but still making waves. The Dell Laptop 7490, a best standard laptop. So let's check it out. Okay, now about its specification. This laptop model number is Dell Latitude 7490 with a display size of 14-inch with a full HD with a resolution of 1920 to 1080 pixels and the processor up to Intel Core i5-8350U. 8th generation processor and the internal storage up to 256 GB, RAM up to 8 GB DDR, and the battery consists of 4 cell 60 watt lithium ion batteries with it, and the weight is up to 1.561 kg. And the best feature I really like is it has a screen touch. Yes guys, this laptop is a screen touch. Yes. Now let's talk about its build quality and ports. On the top, on the center, it has a logo. This Dell Latitude laptop is known for its durability, and you get this solid matte finish alloys that shares with a soft touch. Build quality is very nice and very solid. The weight is okay, not so thin and not so thick. And the best part is it can be rotated up to 180 degree. You can see it is very flat hinge like a book. And the keyboard is very spill resistant, great key travel. I'm writing here something. It is very quick responsive keyboards. Okay, the touchpad is very precision driver, smooth and very responsive. Yeah, very nice. It has multi buttons on the touchpad. Now let's check its ports. On the left side, one Type-C port and one HDMI port, and here's the two USB ports with 3.1 generation. On the right side here is the audio jack, one micro SSD card slot with SIM tray, and here is the one USB 3 with a 3.1 generation of USB port, and here is the Ethernet RJ45 port. It comes with a Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth 4.2 generation, not the latest but reliable. And now let's check its audio and webcam.
Hold me close till I get up. What's left? And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm not expecting this, but the literally sound is very excellent. The bass is very loud, yes, and audio is very clear, fine for meetings and ideal for music lovers also. Yes guys, it is best for watching movies and Netflix, and for more sounds you can use headphones for better clarity. The webcam consists of 720 pixels, is just okay by today's standard. It's fine for Zoom and calls. Now let's check its screen touch. Yes. Yes guys, you can see here it is very smooth and very responsive screen touch, and it is running very smooth without any bugs. Battery life is very surprisingly decent for an older laptop, except around 5 to 6 hours on light usage like web browsing and document work and some streams. This Dell Latitude 7490 laptop with an i3 processor is a fantastic budget-friendly option in 2025. It is very reliable, portable, well-built, and still handles the basic with ease. And it comes with a paired with lightweight OS and a few upgrades also. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Techno Waves. See you in the next one.